Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. Harmony One is currently breaking out of a bullish chart pattern. I haven't covered Harmony One for a while now, but just want to let you know that we can expect, in my view, some further price increases here. I told the channel members in the Telegram and Discord group, of course, a bit earlier because I can't always do a video straight away. But yeah, straight away when I woke up today, I saw it that we were just below 30 cents. This looked like a bullish breakout to me. And I just want to make this video to explain why I think there will be further price increases and also why this is a bullish chart pattern. So what we're currently in is called a descending broadening wedge. What this indicates is, or basically what it is, it's two lines. Yeah, you've got a resistance line up here, you've got a support line up here. They're both descending, they're both going down. Yeah, and some people would think it is bearish, but actually it just indicates that the sellers, the lower the price goes, they are losing control, however, and the buyers push the price higher and higher again. Yeah, and it works towards this resistance line, and it generally is considered a bullish chart pattern. Generally, also not only based on what the statistics say, but also based on my experience, this chart pattern oftentimes breaks to the upside. It is not guaranteed, of course not, but it seems currently to break out to the upside as well, and it is not a very frequent chart pattern that you cannot observe very often. And I can't remember that we've ever discussed it on this channel, which is why I thought I'd use this as an opportunity to show and explain to you what a descending broadening wedge is. You probably already know the descending wedge, which is like the other way around, where you've got two lines coming together in an apex, but also going down. But this is just the other way around. You've got two lines, but they are diverging from each other. What here we can see is also the last move was really bullish. The last move up here, and this is why I told the channel members, look, this looks really like an interesting breakout point. First of all, broke above the 50-day moving average. Now we did that before, okay, but we broke above the 50-day moving average. Then we broke above the 20. Then we found support at the 20-day moving average again. Yeah. Didn't fall below it again, and you had high volatility, yeah, high volume, and we then finally broke to the upside. And it looks like we're currently retesting this as support, and we're moving on from here. So I think this would be a potentially good buying point. I think Harmony One, as it moved down now over the last few days, it has, or in the last few weeks, it has now something to catch up after its high at around 38 cents. We can also formulate a buying, a target level. Yeah, so with the target level of these broadening wedges, you take the beginning, basically here the first touch of the resistance line, and you go down to the lowest support level, and then you add this to the breakout point, and that takes us, yeah, well, look at where this takes us, to 38 cents, a little bit higher, but this will be the support line, and I expect us to come back to that level. So yeah, it's looking good for Harmony One, and I'm really bullish on this project anyway. As I told you, were good buying prices. I didn't buy more because there were other projects I wanted to buy into in its way down here, but it's a good project, really interesting. And what we've got here on the 4 hour now, that we're getting into the overbought range slowly. I mean, we had a nice pump now up here, all the way from basically in one big move, and it took a moment, but it was just one big move from 23 cents all the way now to 30 and a half. So yeah, naturally there will be a little bit of consolidation then, maybe a retest of that support level, but overall we still have room to go. We've got here no losing steam on the 4 hour MACD. We are, as you can see, just getting into the overbought range on the RSI on the 4 hour. But it's even more important to see what the daily is doing, because here on the daily, we are not yet in the overbought range. So there is a lot of scope to move up, and we are still in the red on the MACD, but it seems to lose steam here on the daily MACD. So very, very strong indicator that we can get a buy signal here, a bullish cross. We already crossed the 0 line of the MACD line, and we are now getting, this confirmed also by the price. Looking really good, looking really bullish. Next key resistance would be here, the 31.8 cent level, which is a previous high, but also it is the 0.214 FIB level. and we have to get above that. Maybe we'll find some retracement there before we then retest that as support here, that descending trend line. And yeah, from this 31.8 cent level, we could then move further up to the 38 cents. Maybe this is now giving us the possibility to move up, yeah, basically to move up to the 40 cent level. And as we've zoomed out now, it shows you the power of Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci retracement levels. And then people always say Fib level, or, you know, technical analysis doesn't work and so on. No, it does work. And I think I showed it to you various times, especially also with the Bitcoin chart, how well technical analysis can work. So we retraced back to a key Fib level where we found reversal again. So you can see we touched down here the 0.5 Fib level at 23.6 cents. This is exactly where we came down to as well here. And from here we've reversed. Yeah, I mean, you could also expect it to come down once more, maybe even to the golden pocket here, the 20.3 cent level, which is a 0.618 Fib level. That wouldn't even be bearish. That would still be a bullish move then, come down to that level and then go up. But it seems like we've already broken now this level as this resistance level, and we now just hovering above this trend line and possibly doing a retest on the even lower time frame. There you go. I think we might come down now, retest it. If that retest is successful, I think 31.8 cents, that next Fib level, will be resistance. So looking good for Harmony One, finally waking up. Hope you liked that update video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.